welcome you all. In this discussion, we discuss about binary search algorithm. Binary search algorithm is a different technique. It fell under the category of divide and conquer pattern. The generic term for smart search through the sorted data is binary search. One primary condition for binary search is the inputted data must be sorting. Only the data in sorting that will be ascending order, then only the search will be effective. Because the search routine is like that. We go one by one. First one, the initial search region is whole array. Look the data value in the middle, the search region. That is, in the binary search, I am already told that it work in the divide and conquer pattern. Suppose 100 element is given and we find some element that is x. I think I found element number 50. They are all in the arranged pattern, like you have considered as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. It's a multiplication of 5. I am requested to find the element 50 is present or not in the list. In the sense, totally you assume that I have a 20 element up to 5, 10, 15 to 100. First and foremost thing, I find the midpoint of the element. So the search started with the mid value. If the mid value is our searching element, there should be the best case. The element is found. We say it's a successful search. Or otherwise, we find that whether our element fell to before the mid value or after the mid value depends upon the we finding an element. But whatever the cases, the one thing is sure, in a binary search, the answer is only find in the midpoint of the element. Third point I specify here, if you have found your target, then stop. If your target is less than the middle data value, the new search region, that is the lower half of the data, is the newer search region. If your target is greater than the middle data value, the new search region is higher than the half of the data. That is, I'm simply says we make the step repeated until we find the element in the middle. Say for an example, here I am given an element sequence as minus 86, minus 37, minus 23, 0, 5, 18, 21, 64, 97. This is to be the sequence given to search in the pattern of binary search. Here, the low order element is minus 86, the high order element is 97. I fix a midpoint as 5. Suppose I am search for an element 18 in the sense, first of all, I check the middle element 5 equal to 18. Definitely 5 is not equal to 18. So, next time look it up whether the element 18 is found before 5, the mid value before 5 or after 5. In the case, it will be found after 5. So, I am fix a new low, middle, high region as 18, 21, 64, 97. And then I am doing one more finding midpoint. The midpoint is 18. I am going to search the midpoint element 18. Also, I am searching the element 18. The element is found. Like that way, the binary search made on its searching pattern by the way of divide and conquer strategy. How long is binary search do? In the sense, think about that how it operates. After you examine a value, you cut the search region in a half. Suppose 100 element you take to search, in the sense, it will be first and foremost step, it divided as a 50 element by the way of finding midpoint. After that, it will be reduced quarter, like that. So the iteration of the loop, you search region is which array. The second iteration is the half of the array. And then third iteration is the quarter of the array. Then kth iteration is 1 by 2 kth of the array. Likewise, it will be each and every time it will be reduced half of the array. Need to sort array, that very important. Binary search only work if the array is already sorted. I am already told that condition very clearly. It turns out the sorting is a huge issue in computing and the subject to the matter. So we only apply the binary search when the given inputted element in the sorted, already sorted. Then only the binary search will work. Thank you. This discussion will help you to learn about binary search in simple manner. I am just providing on theoretical part. In our next discussion, I providing algorithm also for your better understanding. Thank you.